4 equals 17, 5 equal 26, 6 equal 37, 7 equal 50, 8 equal what? So can you find the number that fills this logical sequence? A commenter comment what number you have found and watch my solution in this video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I ask you to subscribe it and hit the notification bell because here on the channel we daily uploaded free videos that train your mind in logical sequence as well as basic to advanced math. Now take a good look to the resolution of this logical sequence. 4 equals 17. How? We know that square of 4 is 16 and if I'll add 1 to this, I'll get 17. Similarly, 5 square is 25 plus 1 is 26. 6 square is 36 plus 1, 37. 7 square is 49 plus 1, 50. So what is 8? 8 square is 64 plus 1, 65. So what replaces the question mark? 65. Comment down below if you already cracked the logic of this logical sequence. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.